Here is theme from Symphony Number 1, Movement 3 by Gustav Mahler, arranged by Pfeil. This is the middle section that goes into G major, starting at measure 40. We're going to play it through once, and I'll show you some tricks and tips to help you get through that and learn it a little bit better. 2, measure 40, and 1, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3. Cello start. Here we go. And. Nice and piano, rest. 2, 3, 4. Pick up to 49, and. Low 2. And B natural, low 1. Open 4. Rest. Okay, so that is the whole thing all the way through. The tricky parts, the first part is pretty simple. We get to measure 49. Watch measure 49. First half of the measure, 1-2 pattern. Second half of the measure, 2-3 pattern. Okay, and then watch your string crossings on the dotted 8/16 that you have. So, ba 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 ba. Okay, and try to keep it smooth, but subdivide so it's a really accurate 16th note. 1E and a 2, or 2E and a 3. Okay, measure 51 to same. 1-2 pattern, first half of the measure, 2-3 pattern, and measure the second half of measure. Then we get to measure 52. Again, the dotted 8/16, keeping it accurate. We're going to block that with a third finger on the D string and a low 2 B flat. So try to block those fingers, keep them down at the same time if you can, and that will help you be more accurate and not have to worry about changing fingers quickly. Triplet 1, don't rush a triplet. So 53, 2, 2, 3. Then we do a chromatic move, B, 2, B flat, low 1, and then open A, low 4. And then it goes back to open A and regular B. So watch those measures 55 and 56, B natural, B flat, open A, and then we're going to do a low 4 right next to 3, and then a low 1. F sharp, and then a measure 58, low 4. So I'm using what I call the smushy pattern. We have our F sharp, our G, and our A flat all smushed together right next to each other. So watch that. And then a quick. So 59 is up, F sharp, open E, B flat, and then D. So check those notes out. The F sharp, open E, E flat, D. So I'll start at pick up to 59, 2, 3. 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So watch that counting there, 61, 62 into 63. If I count it out, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2. And then you have some quarter notes, count those out, and some half notes. And at the end, the last few measures, 67, 68, 1, 2, 3, E flat, with the hook bowing, short, short, bum, 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 and long. Okay, so hopefully that's helpful for that Mahler's Symphony number 1, movement 3, arranged by Pfeil, from 40 to 70, that middle section.
Thank you for tuning in. For resources and more information, visit orchestrateacher.net.